430 million people worldwide have disabling hearing loss. Of that group, 70 million people are completely deaf, and over 80% of deaf people live in developing countries. The craziest part? Over 90% of deaf people still incorporate spoken language into their daily communication.
Thank you. Bathroom.
Despite knowing what words mean, many of these people never fully develop the ability to enunciate and pronounce them clearly, not because they lack intelligence, but because they lack accessible feedback. This is where ArticuLearn comes in. ArticuLearn is an interactive learning tool that helps deaf and hard-of-hearing users visually learn how to speak. Users speak into their microphone, and our system analyzes their pronunciation in real time. On the screen, they receive a visual accuracy bar showing how close they are to the correct pronunciation, and live text feedback telling them what to adjust, such as mouth shape, tongue position, or stress.
So on the app, the user holds down a recording button and says the word either prompt or written by the user. Once the user releases the button, it saves a sound file padded with silence. Once the user clicks submit, the code is then shipped to Whisper One.
Whisper One is one of two main components of the project. After getting the user recording, we send it to Whisper One to transcribe the speech into text. Additionally, it would give back the phonetics used in the word. This information then gets sent to ChatGPT using HTTP client. We found this syntax for this on the OpenAI documentation.
After getting the target and recording phonetics, we use ChatGPT to compare and contrast the two. For example, if the person says cut rather than cat, the AI will be able to pick up the faulty sound. Then ChatGPT delivers feedback. We gave ChatGPT a prompt that was changed over and over again to deliver the output feedback, giving differences in phonetics, percentages of the recorded word being correct, and pronunciation tips.
Lastly, the output. We get all our information using JSON parsing to get our information required. For example, accuracy score for an accuracy bar in the single word mode. A yes or no on whether the word was said properly is used for advancing to the next level or not, and the word feedback that ends up getting outputted back to the user. Now it's time for a live demonstration.
So this is ArticuLearn. Let's go to course selection, start practice, go to our basic sounds and start our first module. We have the word cat, so cat. Right now, we took a video recording and we have it as a WAV file. It's going to send to Whisper as a WAV file, and it's going to take the sound and turn it to phonetics, send that to ChatGPT to compare the two phonetics and give us back a feedback score. As you can see, we said cat properly, so it gave back a feedback score of 100%.